Hey guys, Dan here from DansTube.TV, and it has been a year since I purchased the Mavic Pro, and I decided to pick up the Mavic Air Fly More combo, which I'm extremely excited about. It's a lot smaller, a lot more features, and I'm just keen to get it up in the air. Let's cut straight to it. Yeah. Oh, yes. I remember this feeling a year ago when I got my first professional drone. Ooh, look at the packaging in that little cutie there. Damn, it's all segmented. You got little spots for the bag. This is the little shoulder bag, which is apparently completely different from the Mavic Pro's bag. I will also show you the Mavic Pro when I get the drone out, just to show you the size comparison and the difference with controllers as well. Okay, so let's jump into the bag straight away. The shoulder bag. Ooh, that feels premium. I also think the drone might be in here. I don't know, it feels kind of heavy, so let's check it out. Let's open this little bad boy up. Oh no, the controller comes in here. So here is the controller. It just says Mavic Air at the top here, very similar to the Mavic Pro controller. You're just missing out on the actual screen display here. I guess it's also very similar to the DJI Spark controller. Yep, the same kind of mechanism up here. We don't have two of the toggles, we just have a button, a toggle, a record, and then to take a picture. And everything else seems to be the same. I do know one thing though we need to check out. Yes, here they are. So the actual thumbsticks just literally clip in here. So you can take them out and actually screw them in. So easy. How cool is that? I love that, and it's really portable. You can literally just chuck it in here, and you got a full-on portable setup that will not get, snapped off, or you won't have any issues with it bumping on anything. It's just a flush little design. I really do like the design of this bag compared to the Mavic Pro bag. The little Mavic Pro bag that came in the Fly More combo was nice, don't get me wrong, but this one just feels a little bit more, I guess, professional or elegant. The other one was just like a bum bag almost. This one's really cool though. So what else do we have? It looks like we have all the spare propellers now. Oop. We have the power bank adapter, so you can charge up an accessory, whatever that is, your phone or camera or something. You have all the propellers in here, nicely packaged. Some more propellers. You also have the cables, so we can actually plug this in directly, so we don't have to worry about doing the Wi-Fi signal connection. We have some other cables here. It does charge from USB-C, which is awesome. None of the others have offered that, I don't believe, so far. All the others have been completely different connecting points, but USB-C, really cool. Interchangeable, not interversible. Interchangeable, just straight USB, plug it in, and you can charge your drone on the go, or you can obviously charge the batteries properly with the unit, which I'll get into in a second. I was actually really surprised that they included thumbsticks. So we have some spare thumbsticks here, which we can just plug in, ready to go. That means we have 4 in total, so a spare set. That's really awesome. We are still diving through this bag here. It actually looks like quite a big bag. There's a lot in here, and I don't know whether the drone's in here. No, it's still not, but we've got our first look at the batteries. Now they're almost a hybrid of the Spark battery and like a Mavic size battery as well. I like that. You got the button on the bottom there, the little clip design here. A lot of people were complaining about the Spark clip design not 100% clipping in every time, so I really hope we don't have that issue with the Mavic Air. I haven't heard any reports, but the batteries are cool, and I got the Fly More combo, so that means we get 3. So here is the charging station, and this is actually really cool. It clips out. How cool is that? It literally clips out and can just sit on your top there. So clip it away, portable, chuck it in your bag, you're off, and then at the hotel charging, ready to go. Oh, and it smells like plastic, that's good. One thing that's really cool is how this unit charges. So I showed you this system before, it flips down, and then the batteries actually stand upright. So you plug it in, and they stand upright to charge. The only other thing in the bag was the charging brick itself, which has the 2 USBs for you to charge whatever else. Normally you will be charging the controller, and then that just plugs into your mains there. And then this little section here, which you can charge 1 battery off, then plugs into the bottom of this battery charging unit, which sits flush, and it's a very interesting design. I didn't actually know that's how it came, but I like that. That's super portable and very interesting. So here's the little side bag here. Obviously you can change the length of the strap, but overall I prefer the design, I want to say, of this one over the Mavic Pro. Very cool design, and quite a big one as well. You can fit a fair bit in there. It's time, guys. We are going to check out the Mavic Air right now. I love the little box it comes in, the little bag, whatever you'd call it. Here we go. Oh, damn. That thing is tiny, like so tiny. Here is the controller, and here is the Mavic Air. Look at the size. It's literally the size of the controller. That's amazing. So let's check out this folding mechanism here. Oh, the arms are tiny compared to the Mavic Pro. It's so weird. There we go. So the back ones flip out, then the side or the front ones flip out to the side, and then plop comes down the landing gear, which also contains the antennas, I believe, or antenna. And there we go, that's it. That's the system there. The gimbal system is relatively easy. You just literally clip that off, and then there we go. There's the gimbal and the camera all housed nicely and tucked away. That's beautiful. Plus, obviously, the Fly More combo includes this additional battery, which just clips off like that. Nice and easy. Actually very easy to then clip back in again. It seems like quite a solid clip. And then we have all of the positioning systems and obstacle avoidance sensors and everything on this tiny little drone here. It's kind of amazing, really. And the design is just so clean. It looks like a sports car, the way they've just ducked down here. You've got the metal finish. Damn, this thing's beautiful. And then you have your USB-C charging spot here. It does actually include 8 GB of internal storage, which is really cool, and I don't think any other drone has really offered that from DJI, so it's ready to go straight away. We could fly this now and record if the batteries were charged, but you can then increase the storage as well. It's also got all these clean little vents around the back here. The final piece of the puzzle now is in this little box here, and I believe it contains majority of the paperwork, which is actually a fair bit this time. That's a lot of paperwork. I'm not going to read any of that. I mean, no, I'll go through the paperwork. Of course, I'm going to read it all. Oh, yeah. And the actual final item in the box here, the prop guards, which is something that I was really keen on for some reason. I don't know why, it just adds that extra bit of security, and prop guards kind of look cool as well. They're just plastic covers that basically surround the blade, so if you do get hit, it's going to hit these before it actually hits the blade. That's your finger that's going to hit these before that, or your face or whatever else. And just a really handy addition for safety as well. Wow, this is honestly amazing. Within a year, or just over a year, DJI have created the Air, which is smaller than the Mavic Pro, just as powerful with more features, and probably a more elegant design in my opinion. I just really love what they've done with this, and the white color, the Arctic white, actually looks quite nice. I'm a fan of that. And overall, it is a massive upgrade in such a small form factor. Obviously, you do sacrifice a little bit of battery life on this smaller drone. The Mavic has the superior battery life, but overall, this thing seems to blow the Mavic Pro out of the water. I will have some more videos, though, comparing these two in the future, side-by-side comparisons and whatnot. And also, let's have a look at the controllers. So here is the Mavic Pro controller. And here is the Mavic Air. So again, very similar design and everything. It's just the Mavic Pro actually includes a screen that will display vital flight information. So you can really see the evolution that DJI has gone through with the drone from the Pro to the Air. Very cool. All right, so anyway, DJI have done a fantastic job again of packaging the Fly More combo. Honestly, they surprise me every single time. This is beautiful. We have so much in this pack. 3 batteries. We've got the really cool charging accessory here that pops down. We have the prop guards, additional propellers, and so many other things. One thing to mention though, the propellers don't actually fold like in the Mavic Pro. They are a solid propeller, but overall everything folds away and feels really sturdy. So I will have some more videos on the channel. Thank you so much for watching the unboxing, and make sure to have a great day.